Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 786 Fatma's Cooking. Today we are making bread pizza. For this I have taken 4 slices of bread. I have cut a small tomato and removed its seeds. I have taken half a capsicum. According to the number of slices, I have taken an onion which I have cut into small pieces. We also have some chopped red chilies and grated mozzarella cheese. To sprinkle over the top, I have some chili flakes and oregano. This is pizza sauce which I have prepared at home. To make this, add 3 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and mix it well. Now homemade pizza sauce is ready. We will apply this sauce on it. Add cheese gradually in all 4 slices. We will add some cheese on top as well. Add capsicum in 4 slices. When there is nothing at home, only bread is available, then you can easily make it at home. You can also add veggies of your choice as it is carrots season. You can add carrot and peas, but you have to boil them first. Now we will add chopped tomatoes, some chopped onion. Now add red chilies to make it colorful and add some flavor. I have added all these ingredients to it. Now press it a little bit using your hand. Then we will add mozzarella cheese, add remaining capsicum to it. Now sprinkle some chili flakes and add a little bit of oregano. I have taken a fry pan, add a tablespoon of oil in it. We have put these slices in it and we will close the lid and check it after 10 minutes. Keep it on medium to low flame. Let's open the lid and check. As you can see, the cheese is perfectly melted and it's now ready to be served. Bread pizza is now ready. I have dished it out. If you enjoy this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon and do share your thought in the comments. How did you find this recipe?